Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very tasty and tempting prawn fry. Let us see the ingredients. Half kg of prawns, some coriander leaves and curry leaves, 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt for taste. Let this dough and place one frying pan. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add our prawns. Into this, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt for taste. Mix it well. We didn't add any water. We will get some water from the prawn itself. Let it be cooked for a couple of minutes. Now the water got evaporated. Stir it well until the oil separated from the prawns. Prawns contains vitamins, minerals and iron. And it contains high protein and low fat, so it helps for weight loss. Now we can sprinkle some curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Mix it once. It's a very easy recipe. We can make it within 10 minutes. That's all. Now our mouth-watering prawn fry is ready. It's an excellent combination for white rice, rasam sadam and all kind of variety rice. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.